Hello, hi, good afternoon to everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the very important and most interesting topic, which is UNESCO World Heritage Sites. So UNESCO World Heritage Sites means these are the most popular sites which are belong from entire world in terms of culture, in terms of nature, or in terms of collectively mix. So first I do make you understand about the UNESCO. What is the UNESCO? Then UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the world, and then thereafter UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the India. So first, what is UNESCO? UNESCO means United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organizations, which was established in 1945. Headquarter is in Paris, France. The current general director of UNESCO, which is Edouard Ejwal. So far as of July 2019, there were 1,121 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the entire world. From them, 869 belong to cultural group and 213 belong to the natural group and 39 is in mixed group. So in out of them, China and Italy both have a 55 each. UNESCO World Heritage Site, Spain followed by the Spain 49, Germany 46, France 45, India 38 and Mexico 35. So in terms of UNESCO World Heritage Site, India occupied the sixth rank in terms of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. So that show in terms of travel and tourism how India play a very important role. So if I take these 38 UNESCO World Heritage Sites which are belong to India, out of them 30 sites are in cultural in nature, 7 is in natural in nature and 1 is mixed in nature. So now I take you in the detail from all the 38 UNESCO World Heritage Sites which are belong to India in a chronological order. So it is very easy to learn you. So in India, the first UNESCO World Heritage Sites was came to exist in 1983. There were 4 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. One is Ajanta, second one is Ellora from Maharashtra, third one is Agra Fort, and last one is Taj Mahal. So all 4 belong to Agra. Next, in 2084, there were 2 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. One is Sun Temple, Konark, Odisha. Another one is Mahabalipuram Group of Monument, Tamil Nadu. 1985, there were 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. One is Kanchenjunga National Park from Assam, Manas National Park from Assam, and Kevladev National Park from Bharatpur, Rajasthan. In 1986, there were 4 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Churches and Convents of Goa, Fatehpur Sikri in UP, close to Agra, and Khajuraho Group of Monuments, Chhatarpur District, MP, and Hampi Group of Monuments from Karnataka, 1986. In 1987, again, there were 4 sites being listed in the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. One is Great Living Chola Temples from Tamil Nadu, and group of monuments of Patalkat from Karnataka, Elephanta Caves from Aurangabad District, Maharashtra, and Sundarban National Park from Gujarat. In 1988, only one UNESCO World Heritage Site, which is Nanda Devi and Belly of Flowers National Park from Uttarakhand. In 1989, only one, which is Sanchi Stupa from Madhya Pradesh. In 1993, 2 UNESCO World Heritage Sites been listed. Both belong to Delhi. One is Qutub Minar and second one is Humayun Tomb. 99, only one UNESCO World Heritage Site, which is MR, Mountain Railways. Mountain Railways, which include Nilgiri Mountain Railways, Darjeeling Mountain Railway, and Kalka Simla Mountain Railways. In 2002, one UNESCO World Heritage Site, which is Mahabodhi Temples from Bihar, and 2003, one UNESCO World Heritage Site, which is rock shelters of Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. In 2004, there were 2 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, Sea Square. One is from Champaner Padavgarh Archaeological Site from Gujarat, and second one is Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal 3 from Maharashtra, Mumbai. 2007, there were 1 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, which is Red Forts, Delhi. 2010, 1 UNESCO World Heritage Site, which is Jantar Mantar JM from Jaipur. Actually, there are 5 Jantar Mantar in India, but from Jaipur, Jantar Mantar had been taken from the UNESCO World Heritage Site. In 2012, one UNESCO World Heritage Site, which is the Western Ghat, and 2013, one UNESCO World Heritage Site, which is Hill Forts of Rajasthan. Collectively, there are 6 forts which have been taken as a one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites, like Amir Fort, Chittorgarh Fort, Ranthambore Fort, Kumbhalgarh Fort, and Gangron Fort. In 2014, there were 2 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. One is in 2014, there were 2 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. One is Rani Ki Vav from Gujarat. Second one is Great Himalayan National Park, Himachal Pradesh. In 2015, 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. One is Kanchenjunga National Park from Sikkim. N stand for the Nalanda University, and C stand for the Chandigarh Group of Monuments. In 2018, 2 UNESCO World Heritage Sites were there. One is Ahmedabad, historical city Ahmedabad, and second one is Victorian and Art Deco ensembles from Mumbai, which include Mumbai High Court, Mumbai University, Rajabhai Clock Tower, and Eros Tower. And very recently, Jaipur has been included in 2019 is UNESCO World Heritage Site. So in India, there are 38 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. From them, 30 belong to the cultural UNESCO sites, and 7 in the natural, and 1 is mix. So the only mix natural World Heritage Site, which is Kaziranga National Park from the Sikkim. So this is all UNESCO World Heritage Site from the world and India. So most often in the exams, especially in the UGC NET or other competitive exams, they will ask in the questions like how many UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India, how many natural, how many cultural, how many mix, and where they all are located. So I hope it has made you clear about the all UNESCO World Heritage Sites from the entire world and from the India. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much.